What's up guys, it's DJ Avionics back with another tutorial video. In this video we're going to be doing a follow-up on my unboxing of the weebil-s made by Zhiyun. So in this video I'm going to be explaining the 6 different shooting modes you can do with the weebil-s. I have my Canon EOS M50 camera with the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens in the small rig mounted on the plate. Alright, well let's get into the mode of things. Pan follow mode is the default mode when turned on. The letters PF are now displayed on the screen and obviously stand for pan and follow. And the switch on the side switches between pan follow and lock modes. Both pitch or tilt and roll axes are locked. The yaw axis is not locked. This mode is especially good going left to right or right to left for panoramic shots. Switch down to L to enable lock mode, and the letter L will now be displayed on the screen. All 3 axes, pitch, roll, and yaw, are now locked. As the mode implies, you are locked into a single position or on your subject, following them without any subtle changes to your aim. You can still use your joystick to adjust as necessary, and will stay locked in that position however you aim your gimbal. To exit lock mode completely, switch back to PF, then press the trigger twice to reset the camera position. Press the POV button once, and the letters POV will be displayed on the screen. Whichever direction you point the gimbal, the camera will look in that direction. As the mode name implies, it's a first-person point of view. To exit POV mode, press the trigger 2 times. To enable follow mode, you need to press and hold down the trigger. F is then displayed on the screen. If you let go, it goes back into pan follow, but if you want to lock it into follow mode, hold down the trigger, then press the LV button 3 times. Then let go, and now it's locked. Roll axis is locked, so it enables yaw or panning, and pitch up and down or tilt up and down. To exit follow mode, press the LV button 3 times again. And it goes back into pan and follow mode. To enable fast mode, press and hold down the FN button on the side. Now if you let go, it goes back into PF. So if you want to lock it into place, press and hold FN, press LV 3 times, and now it's locked. The gimbal now responds to quick motions on all 3 axes. This mode is useful for filming sports, fast action and cars, or fast kids. To back out of fast mode, click the LV button 3 times. To enable Vortex mode or Inception mode, press the POV button 2 times. The camera will now point straight up and the letter V is on the screen. You can then hold the gimbal horizontally and with the joystick, make the camera do barrel rolls holding down either the left or the right direction. To exit Vortex mode, press the trigger 2 times. To enable the self-explanatory selfie mode, you can either press the trigger 3 times or the POV button 3 times, and the gimbal will turn around 180 degrees. The display will still read the letters PF, as you can still do pan and follow in selfie mode. This is the ideal mode for self-vlogging. To exit selfie mode, press either the trigger button or POV button 3 times. And there you have it guys, the 6 different shooting modes of the Zhiyun Weebill-s gimbal. I hope I helped explain all the different modes for you guys. If I did, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button. Leave any comments or questions down below and I'll get back to them ASAP. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notifications bell so you can be notified of future content like this. Once again, I have the Zhiyun Weebill-s Amazon affiliate link down below in the video description for you to purchase. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm DJ Avionics. See you next time.